Welcome back. And now it's time to style the 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 dots and the 10. So first we're going to give that to a unique class because we cannot select this btn. Then I'm just going to give it a btn offer. Then I'll just copy and paste multiple times. Then that's it. And so let me just select it. So the btn over wants it to be like this. So when I move my mouse on it, then it's going to have a background color of green and a color of white. When I move my mouse from the elements, then the color is not going to be there. So it's going to be blank. So now let's go and add it. So the btn over wants the color to be black. That's all we want to have here. So the btn over is going to have a over. Yeah. Then it's going to have a background color of color and a color of white. And now let's see what we have done. So okay, it's now what we are supposed to do, and this is it. So now when I hover my mouse on it, it changes to white and background color changes to green. So that's going to be applicable to the other elements also. So when I move my mouse on it, it changes to white, the color changes to white, and the background color changes to green. So the same here, here, and here. So now we have come to the end of this pagination, and I hope you enjoyed this pagination that we created, and see you in the next lecture.